What's happening, sneakerheads? How you doing? How you been? Just coming back at you with another video. So to give you some background about this shoe, as you can see, I do rock with the Houston Texans. And last year they came out with the alternate color uniform, which is this alternate colors right here. And I've been thinking like, man, what kind of shoes that am I gonna rock to match the colorway of this sneaker? And so when I saw these coming up, I knew I had to have these. So bam, I already gave y'all a quick peek on these, so you should already kind of know what these are. What's kind of cool is they went back to this Michael Jordan face on the box, which I think is really cool. This one is a darker version. I know the earlier version is a light gray, but I do have that box still. So the size read Air Jordan 3 Retro OG Black Chili Red Neutral Gray. My size 10 right here. Let's open these bad boys up. So it does have some special branding at the lid, which is unusual for Jordan brand. We see that Jordan Jumpman in red with that flight signature at the bottom in cursive. I do think that's a nice touch for this pair of shoes. This is supposed to be in the Nike Rare Air. It does come with that standard thin print paper that we normally see on the Jordan 3s. Open up these bad boys up. These are both individually wrapped, so maybe one way that you can tell that if your shoe is real or not, it will become individually wrapped. I'm not sure why they're individually wrapped, but I'll go ahead and take these both out the box. Put the box to the side. Bam, we got the shoe. This is a beautiful color. Again, like I always say, you'll be on the red team or the blue team, and this right here has both of them. So I'm looking at this for the first time. I'm looking at this shoe. It looks very clean as far as I'm really impressed. I'm not gonna lie. There's hardly any, I don't see any flaws in this shoe at all. I'm not trying to say that because it's my pair, but usually there's some glue stains and stuff like that. I don't really see any issues with this shoe, which is kind of shocking to me. I do think that the suede could have probably been a little bit better on the toe box and the heel, so I am a little disappointed about that. Looking at the veneers, it's not that premium quality leather that we are accustomed to seeing, or we know that Jordan brand can give us. But overall, this is, I guess, considered a GR. I'm not sure why this shoe came out. It's considered the Rare Air. If you do know, let me know down in the comments. But we do see that this is not an OG branding, and we do see that Nike branding on the back, which makes this a little bit of Rare Air for these. Another reason why I wanted these, because if you notice that they do have that, they flipped the Nike Air like the opposite direction, so I do think that's a cool feature, and this is one of the reasons why I wanted these, but mainly because look, see, it matches my shirt right here. I can be able to rock these, and I just ordered me a new jersey with this colorway as well, so now I have something to rock my Houston Texans alternate jerseys and t-shirts with, so I think this is a very cool pair for me. But let me know your thoughts and comments down below. Looking at the shoe overall, I have to say this is some nice tumble leather. It does feel very soft to the touch. Looking around, we do see that blue on the heel right here. Would have kind of been cool, like, since one of these is the opposite direction, it would have been cool like to have one of the uppers red, but one red and one blue, just to do something a little bit different. But you see they're both the same colorway, meaning that they both have the blue around the collar as well as that blue along the midsole. So looking at the midsole, I don't know if this is picking up, but this is a sail right here across the midsole right here, and we do see that Nike air bubble that makes the shoe very comfortable in the back. Again, this is very soft leather right here. This is it's a suede, but it's not rugged or anything. It's just really smooth, really shaved down a lot. They try to do something in the back right here to give it some type of texture, but overall this is just some cheap suede at the back. And I probably say the only thing that I say that disappointing about this shoe is the suede on the back. This one looks a little bit more clean. The one in the front, darker gray, which does really feel soft to the touch as well. Doesn't have any backstroke or anything like that we normally see. Looking at the bottom of the shoe, I do like the bottom. It does feature two colors. I'm glad that they made the shoe pop a little bit. Sometimes the Jordan brand can be lazy and just make these all one color. So I'm glad to see some color at the bottom. Not saying that, you know, anyone will be able to see these when you rock these, but another thing too, it does have some special branding in the insole, as you do see that rare air. It looks like it's a dream cell right here. So this may be another way that you can tell the real from a fake. It's by the insole, smelling like new money. So I was able to get these from a retailer, but I don't know if I don't think they were supposed to put these out so early, but when I saw them, I knew I had to grab my size. So I'm glad to obtain these so early before the sneakers app. I did get these for a good price. So looking at the toe box, we see that red Jumpman in red. Another thing that is different about this shoe as well is we do have suede on the tongue. I don't know if this is the first time I've seen suede on the tongue, but let me know down in the comments, because I think it is, in my opinion. Now I do like it that they put a pop of blue on the back. And overall, this is a really clean, nice shoe. Do I really need another black cement? No, but you know, this one has a lot of pop of color in that red. I do like that red on the back to make the shoe pop. This is a nice shoe in my opinion. Let me know your thoughts and comments about these, sneakerheads. But looking at the other shoe, to my surprise, it does come with extra laces. So let's see what kind of color laces we have in here. It looks like they do come with some cream laces. If you want to swap these out, like some cream laces that came in the box, but let me know if you would change those out. I don't know, it could bring up the sale from the midsole a little bit, but maybe a red or a blue may give it even a more pop, but I don't know. Let me know your thoughts and opinions, but I think for now I'm just going to leave these as is. I do like the more simpler look at times. And I'm looking over this one shoe right here. I don't see any differences other than that back tab. Again, the quality of the shoe is very nice, and it does have that whittle peak in the front, small whittles peak, so that may be one of the ways you can tell a real from a fake. But let me know your thoughts and comments about these, sneakerheads. Are you rocking these or dropping these? Hey, and if you continue to love content like this, make sure you subscribe and hit that bell for notifications so you'll see unboxings like this. And until next time, we'll see ya.